First, let's look at how you want to access Tanzu Kubernetes Grid, which where you would like to install it essentially. You can so in vSphere 7, product we call that is called vSphere with Tanzu. The Tanzu Kubernetes Grid service is embedded. Everything that's needed is included in vSphere 7, and rather than doing sort of an external installation, it's the components are within the product, so you enable the capability, and the product has an automated installation process that occurs when you enable the feature. And then also on the right here as a self-managed solution. That's essentially anywhere that you can run Tanzu Kubernetes Grid other than in vSphere 7. And so when you're within vSphere 7, because we've integrated Kubernetes deeply within the hypervisor, it's capable to take advantage of some extra capabilities. Now, when you deploy it on top of a public cloud provider, or say on vSphere 6.7, the Tanzu Kubernetes Grid services install in virtual machines that run on top of vSphere. Or I'm sorry, on top of the infrastructure service, whether that's a vSphere or the relevant public cloud provider environment. A key feature of Tanzu Kubernetes Grid, and really, as we get into it further, we'll see some of the core components and how we enable this ability to have a consistent Kubernetes experience across multiple cloud providers. And that bubbles up into a really simplified and common installation experience available across all of the different supported environments.